Oh! Oh! Let's go!
Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. Figured I'd do a little voiceover so you guys can watch us fish while I kind of tell you what we were doing. Today was June 13th. Water was about 68.5 degrees. We had about 10 to 13 mile an hour winds. We left San Diego Bay pretty early, got down to the Coronado Islands about 5:15. Only part that really sucked about today, besides the sea lions, was not a ton of sardines for sale. So we ended up getting 2 scoops, mostly anchovies. The sardines that were in there were pretty good and definitely got us hooked up, but there just weren't too many of them. So we started our day off by slow trolling. Got hooked up pretty quick and just got taken straight to the rocks and snapped off. Kind of kept trying to do that for a while. Ended up getting schooled by some sea lions, but he also hooked up on a hookup bait that kind of ripped him straight into the rocks as well. Some of these fish, man, they can peel line pretty quick. So if you don't have a heavy enough line, or if you're slow trolling with light line like we like to do, it's hard to tighten the drag enough to actually keep them up, so they take you to the rocks sometimes. Sea lions were just awful today, so we had to deal with that a lot. As you can tell, we were kind of slapping the water, trying to scare them off. Don't really know if it works, but it's better than not doing anything. So you'll see a couple sea lion encounters today. They kind of wrecked us. I think we went 6 for 14 total, so caught 6, lost 8. We lost 5 trolling lures as well, which was very surprising. I believe we lost 2 to the rocks, maybe 3 to the rocks, and then 2 or 3 to the sea lions. So the sea lions actually came up, stripped us, and ended up losing the lures, or they broke. So that was extremely disappointing. But in terms of what we were doing today, trolling wise, we tried a couple different things. They were eating everything. Every trolling lure we rolled back there, they bit on. So everything from the Rapalas to the DTX, the Halcos, they were biting. We decided to go this route because the slow troll was hooking up, but we just couldn't get them in quick enough before the sea lions found them. Casting was working on the hookup bait, but it just wasn't working well enough. We didn't see a lot of surface action, so we just decided to go straight towards trolling, which is not my favorite thing in the world, but it produced most of our bites, and we were able to, keep heavier line on there, so you can really just horse them in and try to get them past the sea lions. Another benefit to using the trolling lures, especially at the Coronado Islands, is when it just turns into a parking lot. Trying to slow troll is just treacherous. You've got guys everywhere, and crap happens. So people cross your line. It's hard to drag past them. You have a line you want to go on, and you get cut off. You have to stop. Your lines get tangled. Blah blah. So having the trolling lures, it allows you to pick up the speed a little bit and cover a lot of ground. You can kind of maneuver in and out of people without getting in their way, and they're not in your way. And it just seems to work a little bit better. So, all in all, pretty good day, but we definitely had to change up our tactics, which is something that you've got to be able to do when you're out there, because if you get stuck in a rut and it's not producing bites, you think that, you wonder why everybody else is getting bit but you, and it's like you got to be able to change it up and figure out what's working, even if it's not your favorite style of fishing. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy the video. Hopefully you'll have some more content coming out soon. This boat that we're on is our buddy Ryan's boat, but we actually did get a brand new boat, so I'll be doing a little tour of our new boat, which I'm super excited for. And other than that, hope you guys enjoy the video and keep coming back for more content. Thanks.
No, Yellowtail. You want it? Yeah. You want to flip it?
Yeah.
Nah, gap that thing.
I'll flip it.
You flip it?
Yeah.
That's a good one, man. Go down. Nice. Alright. So I had the old quick release? I got a buddy that wants one too, so I'll...
The line's good.
You can tighten in the drag if you need a little bit on that one.
Can you roll this one in?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, let's see lines on it. Let's just turn around and head over it so we can at least...
I mean, I can sacrifice this calico.
Definitely. Yeah, you got the capacity. I don't see the sea line.
Look at that.
Hey, can you get chum in your... Oh, you still got the calico? I don't know yet. I don't see him. Might have left. Oh, right there, right there. Throw it straight that way.
Oh, big one.
Cody's just a bum. Cody's this, Cody's that, Cody's this. Cody's me, bro. Let me be me.
Not that way. Not that way. Get chum, get chum. Come on, put the hurting on him. Straight under us.
Nice! Oh, another code.
Oh, yeah, boy.
Oh. Let's go. Hell yeah. Alright, both baits work. Woo! Hell yeah, dude. This is tight.
Why weren't we doing this before?
Wait, what? We were watching that guy the whole time.
He was surfing there for a minute.
I know, he rode that wave perfectly.
That would have been awesome. Just rode it right into the gap. All right.
Oh, watch this.
You wanna do this one?
Let me know if you need me to go towards it.
Still feeling?
Yeah. ETX bites back. It starts to dig. Nice, man. There he is, color.
He's making you work hard, huh?
There he is. There he is. Nice. Hell yeah, dude. Alright, now we're at 5.
Let's go.
You got the double whammy on that one.
Hell yeah, he wasn't getting away, just not getting him in the cup is all.
I get him in the...
I want to get the hooks in your feet. You're gonna make a video.
Hell yeah.
Tell your brother to eat it.
Yeah, that's the most yellowtail I've got on this boat now.
By that kelp bag.
Yeah.
You can go. I'll put this back. You check that other line.
No. It's you par, it's you par.
Oh, you got it. You go. You go.
I think I'm over you.
I'm keeping us going out of the rock.
Yeah.
Got the double hook up here.
Yeah, I'm pinned.
Crank it,
Sea
dude.
line's on mine.
What's up?
Sea line's on his.
Okay.
Like the sea line's eating mine.
Okay.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn to the right.
Okay. Is there one on mine too?
Oh,
Or is that mine? Oh, they got both of them.
holy.
Unbelievable.
Alright. Go ahead, run them over.
How did we get smoked on both those? Hey, I'm right there on that sea line. It's an expensive lure. It's an expensive lure that I want back.
Go, you let go. You want to go again? I got
Dude, how is he not here?
Get away from the rock.
going here.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Gotta come faster here.
Boys ready.
Little guy.
There we go.
I knew that went through the eyeball. Dude, what is happening?
Oh.
Sorry, dude.
Oh, good. I guess he was hooked pretty good, actually.
There's-
So how come-
not only did I do that, but I got it right in the meat.
So Halco's work too, huh?
Should we just go
Let's go
Halco?
double Halco, yeah.
They are going to be at the same height, so we're going to really make sure that they're...
I don't know why I get it in my head that I have to yank really hard.
No, you had them good the first time.
I had him through the eye, I think.
You just wiggled the right
You
way.
see the other pliers.
Yeah. I got it.